Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do the last Sunday of the Spring Mother's Day Collab 2021. And it's hosted by Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things and Patti, Life with Patti. And I'm also going to link all the collaborators down below in the description box so you can go check them out and show them some crafty love and see what they have made. Now, I am doing a giveaway on my collab, and it started with the first video, and so I need you to comment on all three of them. I'm going to choose one of those videos and I'm going to pull a winner from that, and I'm going to use the random comment picker for that because it's a little easier for me. And you just have to have the secret word when I pull the name. You also have to be a visible subscriber. You have to be 18 years of age and older. And YouTube is not affiliated with my giveaway. It's with my own money. And I was going to give the winner a $25 Amazon gift card and possibly a second winner. I haven't decided yet. That will happen when it will happen. I noticed a few people made, quite a bit of people did make the secret word comments, but there was other people that did not, and that's okay. So I will give a secret word at the end of this one as well. I'm going to let this run until Friday, I believe. I want it to run it a week, and then I'm going to probably draw the name, I don't know, over the weekend, probably Saturday, if not on the following Monday. I just want to make sure everybody has their entries in, so before I draw the name, I'm going to let it run for a little bit. It was supposed to be an altered hoop, and that was the thing we were supposed to make, and I did make mine. Okay, so I will show you my altered hoop. Okay, here we go. Let me pull you back out so you guys can see. This is a 6-inch hoop, and as you can see, I used sparkle tool in the middle, and I used some white ribbon here and pink ribbon here, and then I took my beads and just kind of wrapped them. I didn't know how to really wrap them. I wasn't sure, so I just kind of guessed and added some glue kind of all the way around and let the beads hang down like that. And then I put this lacy bow here. I guess it's a bow. I got it at Walmart, and this came from Walmart in a 3-pack. So I just cut it and did this one. I added a butterfly I got from Little Birdie. These flowers came from my sweet friend Country Girl First Crafts. She sent me some in some Happy Mail. And this came from Little Birdie, and I just kind of glued it on the side here like it's on this flower. And then I added more flowers right here. They all came from Little Birdie. I love the sparkles on them. These flowers here came from Little Birdie. Right there. And I just kind of I wanted to put a background back here, but my circles kind of ended up crooked and didn't look good, so I need to find a better way to attach it to make a better circle. So I just kind of left it open, kind of like a wreath type of thing, but I like the way it turned out. This is my second time altering a hoop, and the other one I did was quite smaller, so it wasn't so bad, but I just didn't know how to lay the pearls or where to put them. I wasn't sure, but this is my altered hoop, and I think I got done with this. Yeah, I mean, it didn't take very long. I just didn't know what I wanted to do, and a couple of things I tried kind of failed, so yeah, that did not work for me. And so I had to come up with another strategy for my altered hoop. So that's what it looks like. And like I said, all this stuff, like the flower, this lacy flower here, and this lacy bow, all came from Walmart, except this trim was Hobby Lobby's, and all the flowers besides these came from Little Birdie, plus with this, and then these came from my friend Sheila from Country Girl First. She gifted those to me. So here you go. I hope you all like it. So that is my altered hoop. I only did one. So I hope you go check out all the rest of the collaborators. My secret word for this is pearls. So pearls, Pearls. So if you could put pearls somewhere in the comments, that would be great. And I will draw the winner probably the following Monday. I'm going to let this run. You know what? I'm going to draw the name Monday. That way you all can get your comments in and everything. And yeah, so there you go. Please make sure you put this secret word in. Please go watch all the rest of the collaborators in the collaboration. I also want to thank Patti and Kathy for letting me join and do this. I had a lot of fun, and it gets me out of my comfort zone to try and learn new things. All right, everyone. Please take care of yourselves, stay safe, and God bless. All right, bye, everyone.